Hello everybody, we are going to watch Miss Saigon in a while. So we are getting ready. I'm almost done. Shoes na lang. So this is my fit. Black na jumpsuit. I got this from Ukay. And then I'm wearing shoes na black din. So all black and some tayo. So this jumpsuit has pockets. Ganyan lang. Simple lang ang outfit. And then I just added pearl earrings to my outfit. And that's it, guys.